Good morning, student. Let today start with the heat stroke. So, what is heat stroke, student? Mostly it happens in a summer when the weather is very hot, and if the person is out from the house for a long time, then maybe the person will suffer from the heat stroke. And what happen in this, vomiting, fever also, and the what are the vomiting and sometime fever also. These are the symptoms of the heat stroke, and it happens if a person is out from the house for a long time. Okay, so what we have to do in that case, student? Firstly, we take the patient to the shady area, and next thing, give him salt, sugar, water and lime solution. Okay, salt sugar solution we have to give, and also give him a lime solution. Next is the nose bleeding. So student, this is also mostly happen in the summer season. Okay, so if the blood is coming out from the nose of a person or patient, then what you have to do, sit or lie with his head lower than his body. ठीक है, और हमें as it is shown in the figure also, firmly we have to press the nose firmly so that the bleeding stop, or apply cold water on the head or ice pack on the nose. And at the time when the blood is coming from the nose, at that time don't breathe from your nose, you breathe from your mouth. अगर ब्लड आ रहा है नोज से, तो उस समय आप लोग ब्रीथ कहाँ से करोगे? माउथ से. ठीक है, यू विल नॉट ब्रीथ थ्रू द नोज. Then next is the animal bites. Animal bites. So first of all, what you will precaution you will do at the time if some animal bite. So firstly, clean that portion with the soap and water to remove the germs which carry rabies. Or rabies is caused by the bite of a dog, wolves and cats. Okay, then you apply antiseptic lotion on the wound and take the patient to the doctor. Okay, next is the, and there is one more thing, if it is a snake bite, then tie a tourniquet. जहाँ पे स्नेक बाइट किया होता है ना बेटा, इफ इट इज अ स्नेक बाइट, तो जहाँ बाइट किया उसके ऊपर कस के बांध देना चाहिए. ठीक है, जिससे कि पॉइजन बॉडी में सर्कुलेट ना हो. ठीक है, क्योंकि आपको पता है ना कि ब्लड सर्कुलेट ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी. तो जहाँ पे स्नेक ने बाइट किया है, तो उससे पोर्शन को जस्ट अबव द, जहाँ पे उसने बाइट किया उससे अबव पोर्शन को कस के बांध देना चाहिए, so that the poison does not spread, and immediately you take the patient to the doctor. Okay, next after this is the insect bite. So in the insect bite it is discuss about the bee. मधुमक्खियां जो होती है ना बेटा, तो सबसे पहले फर्स्ट ट्राई टू, अगर बी ने, मधुमक्खी ने आपको काट लिया, तो सबसे पहले आप कोशिश करिए कि उसका स्टिंग रिमूव करिए, जो डंक होता है. ठीक है, एंड इट इज़ वेरी पेनफुल. ठीक है, एंड यू कैन अप्लाई आइस ऑन द अफेक्टेड एरिया, एंड अनदर थिंग यू कैन डू दैट, यू कैन ऑल्सो अप्लाई लाइम वाटर, चूने वाला पानी. ठीक है, लाइम वाटर ऑन द अफेक्टेड एरिया. सो नेक्स्ट इज द स्प्रेन. अगर स्प्रेन कैसे होती है? जहाँ बेटा आपके जॉइंट्स होते हैं, या तो आप एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हो या ग्राउंड में प्ले कर रहे हो, तो कभी कभी क्या होते हैं, स्प्रेन हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, हिंदी में से क्या बोलते हैं, मोच आ जाना. ठीक है, ऐसे में क्या होता है, वो पोर्शन, एक तो वहाँ पेन भी बहुत होती है और स्वेलिंग भी आ जाती है. सो व्हाट यू कैन डू, अप्लाई ए लॉट ऑफ आइस ऑन द अफेक्टेड एरिया. This will reduce the pain and swelling. Another thing, there are many ornaments यू कैन अप्लाई ऑन दैट एरिया, ठीक है। जैसे मूव है, अगर मसल स्प्रेन हुआ हो, मोच आ गई हो, तो आप मूव अप्लाई कर सकते हो। वॉलिनी भी आती है रिएक्टिव, उसे भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो, ठीक है। मूव का स्प्रे भी आता है, आप वो भी उस पोर्शन पे अप्लाई कर सकते हो। बट इफ पेन एंड स्वेलिंग इज स्टिल, देन यू गो टू द डॉक्टर। So today we have completed. Now we will start with the book exercises of the chapter. So first is the rabies virus. Question number A. Okay. Pick the correct answer. Okay. So the rabies virus is caused by. So the rabies first answer. First question is the rabies virus is caused by. So answer is the rabies virus is caused by dog, hen, mosquito, ant. So rabies virus is caused by the dog. Second, we should wash. We should wash a cut or wound using a dash. So options are shampoo, soap, oil and salt. So what we will apply? We will apply soap. Third is a first aid box. First aid box consists of so the options are lipstick, talcum powder, antiseptic lotion or comb. So what is the right answer? Antiseptic lotion. Antiseptic lotion. Fourth one, a tear in the muscles. A tear in the muscles. A tear in the muscles near the joint. Near the joint is known as. So what are the options given? Fracture, sprain, heat stroke, nose bleeding. So tear in the muscles, जहाँ जॉइंट पे टेयर होता है, इसे क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? स्प्रेन. This is known as sprain. Fifth one is the heat stroke, mostly occurs during. So heat strokes mostly occur in which season? That is the summer season. Option is given: winter season, rainy season, summer season, spring season. So answer is summer season. Then question number B, fill in the blanks. So question number 1, always wear that dash clothes while bursting cracker. So student, when you are bursting cracker, you must wear cotton clothes, because cotton clothes after burning they become a ash, and if you wear a nylon cloth they will stick to your body. So which type of clothes we will wear? So first answer is cotton. We should wear cotton clothes. Second, अप्लाई डैश वाटर ऑन स्टिंग बाइट. अगर मधुमक्खी ने काटा है तो कैसा वाटर यूज करना चाहिए? लाइम वाटर, चूने वाला वाटर. ठीक है. थर्ड, ऑल मेडिसिन शुड बी केप्ट आउट ऑफ द रीच ऑफ ए चिल्ड्रन. फोर्थ वन इज रैप ए डैश बैंडेज अराउंड द स्प्रेन ज्वाइंट. इफ इट इज मोच आ गई है, स्प्रेन हो गई है ज्वाइंट के बगल में, देन वी विल अप्लाई ए क्रेप बैंडेज. देन वी अप्लाई ए क्रेप बैंडेज. फिफ्थ है, ओपन ऑल द डैश एंड डैश ड्यूरिंग ए गैस लीकेज. तो यू विल ओपन ऑल द विंडोज, you will open all the windows and doors if there is a gas leakage. You can take a screenshot and note down in your book. True or false? First one, always walk in the middle of the road. So this is the false statement. If you are crossing the road, if you are not on the vehicle, then you can move through the footpath, and if you are crossing the road, then you use a zebra crossing. Is it clear? Second question, we should not push each other on the staircase. So yes, this is a true answer. We should not push each other on the staircase. Next, during nose bleeding, do not apply ice pack on the nose. So this is false. At the time of a nose bleeding, you can apply cold water on the head and ice pack on the nose. So that is the reason this is the false. Next, rabies virus is present in the saliva of dogs. Yes, this is true answer. Rabies virus is present in the saliva of dog also, wolves also, and cat also. Fifth is the never wrap a tourniquet above the wound to stop bleeding. So this is false. जब बेटा minor cut होता है, then you wash that area with the antiseptic lotion. But if it is a deep cut and the blood not stop, so at that time you apply tourniquet above the wound to stop bleeding and take that person immediately to the doctor. Okay, now we will start short answer questions. List the thing that should be present in first aid. Question B. Question 1. List the things present in first aid box. So what are the things that should be present in the first aid box? Note down the answer. A first aid box contains a pair of scissors, cotton roll, bandage strips, and antiseptic lotion. Thermometer, thermometer, a burn ornament, and some painkillers. Okay, what are the things should be present in the first aid box? That is a pair of scissor, cotton roll, bandage strips, and antiseptic lotion, thermometer, a burn ornament, and some pain killers. Question number 2. Question 2. Write two safety rules you should follow at home to avoid accident. Note down the answer. Rules we should follow are: do not use sharp objects like knives and scissors. Second one, do not leave toys or other objects scattered on the floor or on the stairs. Okay, note down. Do not use sharp object like knives and scissors, and do not leave toy or other objects scattered on the floor or on the stairs. Stairs मतलब सीढ़ियों पे. You can take a screenshot. Question number 3. Why should we cross the road? Question 3. Why should we cross the road using a zebra crossing? So answer is, why should we cross the road using zebra crossing? So these warn the, these means zebra crossing. These warn the drivers that there may be pedestrians crossing or waiting to cross the road. Okay, why should we cross the road using zebra crossing? These warn, zebra crossing means these warns the driver that there may be pedestrian, मतलब जो पैदल चलने वाले हैं, ठीक है, जो पैदल चल के रोड पार कर रहे हैं. There may be pedestrian crossing or waiting to cross the road. Question 4. Question 4. Why should we wear? Question 4. Why should we wear? Why should we wear only cotton clothes while dusting crackers? Note down the answer. So we should wear cotton clothes because if the cotton, एक तो कॉटन क्लोथ्स में जल्दी आग नहीं लगती, अगर ऐसा हो भी जाएगा तो वो जल के ऐश हो जाएंगे. इज इट क्लियर? वी शुड वेयर कॉटन क्लोथ्स because because cotton clothes because cotton clothes do not catch fire easily as compared to synthetic clothes. Cotton cotton clothes become ash on burning. ठीक है, एक तो कॉटन क्लोथ को इजिली फायर नहीं लगती एज कंपेयर टू सिंथेटिक क्लोथ, अनदर इज द अगर बर्न भी हो जाते हैं कॉटन क्लोथ बिकम एश ऑन बर्निंग। ओके, टेक ए स्क्रीनशॉट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, क्वेश्चन 5, what first aid would you give your friend who has sprained her leg while playing? मान लो आपके किसी फ्रेंड को मोच आ गई है, ठीक है, तो व्हाट फर्स्ट एड यू कैन गिव? सो आंसर, फर्स्ट पॉइंट, apply lot of ice on the affected area. Second point, apply a pain relieving ointment. Okay, note down these 2 points. Apply lot of ice on the affected area, apply a pain relieving ointment, and wrap a crepe bandage. Okay, so you can take a screenshot. Next, we will start question number E. Question number E. Question 1. Why should we not operate an electrical switches when there is a gas leakage? Why should we not operate any electrical switches when there is a gas leakage? Reason is that if you operate the electrical switches and if the spark come out from the switch, then what's happen? Fire will catch in all the house, the property of the house is also lost, and even you are burned at that time. So natural gas is flammable. ठीक है? And when you switch on public of any electrical device, it can cause a spark which leads to huge explosion. Okay, so note down this answer. Next question is, you can take a screenshot. Question 2. Give first aid tips for heat stroke, and second is the animal bite. So note down the answer. In the case of heat stroke, firstly you take the patient in the shed and give him sugar, water and lime solution also. Take the patient to the shed give him salt, sugar and lime solution. In the case of animal bite, wash the wound apply antiseptic lotion and take the patient to the doctor. Take the patient to the doctor. Okay, thank you student.